Construction update, March 31st, 2017. Around the site at the greenhouses, you can see along Winton Road, we've got our bioretention areas in, and we're getting ready for the spring. Inside the buildings, we've got mechanical installations continuing, and downstairs we've even managed to get some drywall hung and are getting ready to start paint next week. Walking into the first floor resident room, drywall finishing is just about done and we're getting ready for some paint. Pretty exciting stuff. Bathrooms are ready for tile. We've even got a patient lift track installed. Things are starting to take shape. Here we are in the living room of the greenhouses. You can see we're getting ready for what will become the fireplace. Our ceilings and soffits are being installed. Our elevator lobby awaits an elevator. The drywall is hung. We've started to hang ceilings fixtures. The drywall is in place in the kitchen. Soon we will have cabinets and countertops, cook stoves and dishwashers. And the ceiling and lighting fixtures are in place waiting for drywall in the dining room, where we have a lovely view of our future courtyard and bioretention pond. One of our updates for this week, and a lot of excitement revolves around it, is the installation of the elevator. We've started installing elevators in the greenhouses. Give you a sneak peek of the inside of the elevator shaft, something we generally don't get to see. Right here at the main entrance, Greenhouse 3. Another exciting change, we've shut down the main entrance for construction. Crews will start demolition, foundations, and the construction of a new main entrance canopy at the tower. Let's go inside and see the renovations that have already begun. We'll finish the walk today in the cafe in the JSL Tower. We just received our first certificate of occupancy for the project here in the cafe, and effective immediately, this beautiful space will be open for ice cream and fun for everyone. Until next time, have a safe day.